And check it out. I'm just having a swarm land in a hive that absconded recently. Look at them all, they're all just coming in right now. Filling up the front, they're loading their way in. Yeah, ladies. Oh, what a cool thing.
I wonder if that's enough room for them.
It should be just right. My guess is usually a 5-frame supper is enough to be a swarm catcher. So this is like more like an 8 or 9 frame, although they're mediums and not large. I'll bet it's going to be just enough. I'll give them a couple of weeks and then add another supper on top if they need. And you know what walking in. Hot damn.